Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. It is the next day after all that rain we got, and it returned to winter. We got a lot of snow overnight, and the temperature has really dropped, so it's quite cold out again. I turned the heat off in the greenhouse today because it was a sunny day. I didn't want it to get too warm in there. So let's go inside and see what's happening. A little bit frozen. Okay, so what temperature do we have here? I think the snow has knocked my thermometer down. We're at 12 degrees Celsius inside, or 53. Outside, it is reading minus 10 degrees Celsius, or 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though it's Friday today, Ficus Friday, I've been sick with COVID. So I'm not going to make a video today, just kind of show you what a beautiful day it was today. I spent most of it just sleeping in bed, so that's it. Here's a look at my temperature probe. It's become an icicle. There's the end of it. Wow. Well, can't really do much about that until the ice melts off of it. I just have it running out my vent up on the roof there. Normally it's quite short, but it's the weight of the ice has kind of pulled it down low. So I'll have to wait for all that ice to melt off, I guess. Interesting. I'll put my little heater back on here. There we go. My wife is still able to get some water from her rain barrel. There's the cube. Yeah, I had to drain it because if I have it full like this and it freezes over, which it would in this temperature, it could break the plastic container open. So I drain it out in the winter time. Also, if you have water in your valves down here and it freezes, it could break the pipes open. Definitely do damage to the valve. So that's the reason I drain them in the winter. All the trees in the plant room got a nice sunny day today, full sun all day long. So they'll be pretty happy. The cars went from having no snow on them to being covered in snow. And I've got to shovel the end of the driveway here. I think Julian might do it. He's feeling better. So yeah, got to shovel the end of the driveway. What a beautiful day. Hopefully, I'll recover from the COVID quickly, and I'll be back to making videos soon. That's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.